Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, welcome to the new series. In this series, we are going to learn how to read Quran in the easiest way. In this video, before starting qaida, we are going to learn some basics. For learning basics, let's go to the screen. I opened some basics. In the first, we are going to learn makharijul huruf. So let me explain. You can see here the literal meaning of the word makhraj. Makhraj is basically a singular and the makharij is plural. So he is telling us the literal meaning of the word makhraj is the point of outlet, or you can say the point of exit. Makhraj means the point of exit. And in terms of tajweed, the easiest definition is the place where the words or sounds come from. Makhraj means the place where the words and the sounds come from. So basically, the makhraj is the place where the sounds and words come from. After learning the definition of makharij, now let's get to start. Basically, there are three types of makharij. So if there are three types of makharij, absolutely there are three types of words also. So there are three types of words also. In this video, we are going to learn two types of words. First one is halqiya letters, or you can say throat letters. You can say here halqiya letters, or you can say throat letters. These are the letters we pronounce from the throat. We pronounce these 6 letters you can from the throat. After that, there are 3 parts of throat. From the bottom part of the throat, we pronounce hamza and ha. You can see here, from the bottom part of the throat, we pronounce hamza and ha. So you can check here. Put your finger on your bottom part of throat and say hamza and ha. You will feel some vibration here. Or after that, the second step, the second word from throats are this from the middle part of the throat. First we read the bottom part of the throat. Now we read the middle part of the throat. From the middle part of the throat, we read ain and ha. You can see here, from the middle part of the throat, we read ain and ha. Put your finger on the middle part of the throat and feel the vibration. Ain, ha. You'll feel some vibration here. After that, this is the third part of the throat and the last 2 letters from throat. You can see here. Ghain and kha. These letters voice come from the part of the throat, the top part of the throat. These letters were pronounced from the top part of the throat. Ghain and kha. Ghain and kha were pronounced from the top part of the throat. Ghain and kha are read from the top part of the throat. Try to read, try to practice. In this video, we are going to learn some basic. This is not a first lecture. You can say these are some basics. So students, there are 3 types of letter. This is the first one, halqiya letters, or you can say throat letters. In the next step, we are going to learn lips letter. In the first one, we read throat letters. There are 6: hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. The second step, we are going to learn the lips letters. Here are the lips letters. First one is fa. Fa is pronounced from the edge of the upper front teeth and the wet part of the lower lip. So try to read, pronounce it from the edge of the upper front teeth and the wet part or you can say the inner part of the lower lip, wet part of the lower lip and the upper front teeth. So try it. Fa, or practice it. Fa. And the next one is ba. So ba is the second word which is pronounced from the wet part of both lips. Ba is pronounced from the wet part of both lips. And the next one, meme. In the next step, meme. Meme, we pronounce meme from the dry part of both lips. Ba from the wet part of both lips, and the meme from the dry part of both lips. After that, we learn here 3 lips letters. Let's go to the fourth one. Wow. Wow is the fourth one and the last one from the lips letters. Wow is read by the rounding of both lips. Round your lips and try to say wow, wow. This is the last one. We read wow from the rounding of both. Today we learned throat letters and lips letters. First one, throat letters are 6: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain and Kha. After that we learn lips letters: Fa, Wow, Ba and Meme. We learn 2 types of letters in this video. If you like the video, follow us for more updates like